Good morning, my love, and welcome to this guided morning meditation for beginners. If you are completely new to meditation and need a simple and easy exercise to include in your daily morning routine. So sit in a way that is comfortable to you and which allows you to breathe deeply and freely. Then close your eyes and take a deep breath. Breathe into your belly and then breathe out fully, letting go of morning drowsiness and tiredness. So breathe in fresh air and let it fill your body, and then breathe out sleepiness from your body and mind. Feel the freshness of the air as you breathe in, and then notice how your body releases tension and stress as you breathe out, clearing your mind and clearing your body, removing negativity and removing tiredness. So breathe in fresh morning air and then release stress and tension as you breathe out. Let your body be completely relaxed, calm and steady. Inhaling deeply and exhaling fully. Breathing in freshness and breathing out tiredness. Follow a tempo that works for you, that allows you to completely relax. What a peaceful experience this is. What a blissful experience. So relaxing and so perfect. So keep breathing in morning air and let it fill you with positivity and light. Then breathe out drowsiness and heaviness. Clear your mind with the fresh morning breeze and clear your body as you let go. Let go of tension and let go of negativity. What an amazing morning. A new day filled with new experiences, new opportunities, and new possibilities. You can't wait to start your day, to see what amazing things will happen today. So embrace this morning and say yes to life. So inhale the sweet morning air and let it energize you and charge you with new energy, powerful energy, so that you can give your all and fully enjoy your day. So feel the energy inside of you. Feel it enter your body with each breath you take, and let it fill you with positivity and excitement. So breathe in the light and let it glow from within you. Keep breathing in the light and fill your body with new life, with an eagerness to start your day, to experience your day, and to have an amazing day. Energize your body with each breath you take, and fill yourself with positivity and light. Then take a deep breath and then slowly open your eyes Now start your day feeling great, with a clear mind and body, ready to have an amazing day. Namaste.